Hello and a very warm welcome. You're watching Beyond World is One with me, Diksha Bisla. Let's start with the headlines. Donald Trump tells New York Post a second round of Iran talks could happen in Pakistan over the next 2 days. And this after the first round ended without a deal. A day earlier, he claimed that unnamed Iranian officials called him seeking a deal.
Honestly, after 49 years, there's a lot of course, mistrust between Iran and the United States of America. You're not going to solve that problem overnight.
U.S. Vice President J.D. Vance says there is deep mistrust between the U.S. and Iran that cannot be resolved overnight, but notes that Iranian negotiators wanted to make a deal and says he feels very good about the current progress. U.S. military says it stopped 6 ships from sailing out of Iranian ports during the first 24 hours of a naval blockade. While ship tracking data earlier indicated that at least 3 ships passed through the Strait of Hormuz despite the blockade. U.S. State Department says Israel and Lebanon agreed to hold direct negotiations following talks in Washington. Announcement came after Israeli and Lebanese envoys hold talks mediated by U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio. Gaza Civil Defense Agency says at least 10 people, including a toddler, were killed in separate Israeli strikes in northern Gaza Strip. Violence continues despite a ceasefire that began on October 10th last year. Zelensky says U.S. negotiators are focused on Iran and have no time for Ukraine, warning that this is affecting peace efforts and weapons deliveries. Also says Russia may feel less deterrence without strong U.S. pressure on Putin. U.S. military says 4 killed in a strike on a suspected drug trafficking boat in the Eastern Pacific Ocean. This marks the 4th deadly strike in 4 days, at least 174 kills so far in the ongoing campaign. North Korea accuses Japan of grave provocations after Tokyo reiterates its opposition to Pyongyang's nuclear weapons program. An annual diplomatic paper says Japan's stance threatens its security and sovereignty. Oil prices edged higher after a sharp drop, with U.S. crude rising as traders await clarity on possible U.S.-Iran talks. Fresh diplomatic signals, including comments from Donald Trump and Israel-Lebanon negotiations, they lifted hopes of easing West Asia tensions.